Welcome back, guys. So today I'm here with Sunber here once more, same packaging as last time. So when I open the box, I see this drawstring bag. It is branded Sunber, perfect for storage for the week afterwards. You know, when I cleanse it and all that good stuff, I got this little drawstring bag with some, claw clips and a scarf. I also received a wig cap, and that's the last thing I got in the box. This is the gorgeous hair we're working with today. Perfect, bronzy ginger vibe. It's very gorgeous. I'm sorry, hair was a bit out of focus, but that's the inside of the wig cap. It comes with 3 combs on the inside, adjustable straps in the back, and it's a medium tone lace. I jumped into just applying it to my head, wasted no time. I love this because it's the pre-curled kind of body wave vibe, and I know you guys must have realized how much I love these wigs by now. I've been getting a lot of them since recent times. It's really, really nice. Really, really love the curls because the wigs, they're just so voluminous and bouncy, and it's just gorgeous. So I went ahead, started to just, apply my adhesive, which is my Got To Be spray today, and I was blow drying that on cool air. I took my time to do this. It was so easy. I'm not gonna lie, this install was so quick and easy because I don't know, it really wasn't a hassle. I installed this wig within, I'd say, probably like 25 minutes or even less. It was pretty easy to work with. And as I went along, I decided that, I wasn't going to do any baby hairs because it's so nicely plucked and stuff, and I like the way how the color of the wig kind of complements my skin tone. So I definitely just let the hairline do its thing. In with my flyaway tamer, and I just pull back everything with my hot comb, get it very nice and flat and laid. This really helps to make everything look even more melted. And yeah, look at that. That's really, really pretty. So that's one of the reasons why I really didn't even want to do any baby hairs, because that really blended into my skin tone so nicely. So that right there was just a winner. Love it.
Baby, it's whatever. All this ever but you long gone, it don't matter. Ride or die, that's been the deal. The light of your back, I disappear. But if you don't play that for me, I'm out of it, I'm out of it, I lick my gun and then I'm done. I'm out of it, I'm out of it. You need no man to tell me you're no good. I'm brushing away, the weight of you, of my shoulders. Done with my cig.
Finally done. This was a super easy install for me. I feel like to always make your installs easier, go for a pre-plucked hairline, okay? Because it makes life so easy. I didn't do any baby hairs, as you can see. I just did my little swoops with the sideburns. That's it. I didn't even do, my other little signature swoop I always do. I didn't do that because I felt so comfortable. I did camouflage the lace a little bit more with a little bit of makeup. I love the volume of the hair. I didn't even go in and redefine a curl in the front or anything. I'm rocking it straight out of the package, just like it came with these gorgeous body wave curls. So I love that. Looks really good. Yeah. So that's it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for watching. As usual, all the information on this wig will be in my description box, as well as the direct link. So if you're interested, go ahead and check that out. And you can get this wig for yourself because it's pumpkin spice season, and it's definitely giving that. It's definitely giving that. I love the tone, definitely fall appropriate. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.